Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to change the year on Google Earth. It's pretty simple, let's get started. Open the Google Earth website and search any place. For example, it will be the Burj Khalifa. You will see this place. We see the newer imagery date and how to change it. To change this date, open the search once more, clear the input field and select time-lapse in Google Earth. After that, we can search the planet place with time-lapse. Let's add the Burj Khalifa once more. Burj Khalifa. Select it and we replace to Burj Khalifa with time-lapse. After that, we can stop this time-lapse from 1987, stop it, and replace this year manually. That's good, but what if we want to see all dates on a more detailed scale? First, we can zoom in to see more details. Also, we can select a Street View mode and select the place near the Burj Khalifa. After that, you will see photos at any date. This photo is from 2023, but you can easily stumble upon the photo from 10 years ago. And the last method is to install the Google Earth application on your computer. In the computer version of the application, you can change the year in standard mode. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day. See you next time.